I want to talk to all the handymen and general contractors out there, specifically about air sealing work. I think there's a big opportunity that you're probably missing, and hopefully I can make some more people aware of this opportunity. And it's basically this. So in my career doing energy audits and consulting for people, figuring out problems, one of the biggest issues I've always had is who to refer them to actually do the air sealing work, install air barriers, blocking, stuff like that, because the problem is most of the time the companies that I would refer are insulation contractors. And there's nothing wrong with that, but most insulation contractors just want to install insulation. That's where they're most profitable. They're not super profitable spending time caulking around windows, installing foam board on knee walls, blocking between floors, and doing some of the targeted stuff that really needs to happen. So the challenge here is, who's going to do that? Well, I think a good carpenter, handyman, tradesman has a big opportunity because you're already in people's houses. You're already doing random jobs and stuff. And if you know a little bit about air sealing, you've got a foam gun, you've got the right materials, you can add value for your customers on almost every single job by doing this. And it's not hard. It doesn't require a lot of expensive tools or materials. It doesn't require a whole lot of time, frankly. It's just knowledge and the ability to do it. So what I'm saying is we need more handymen and tradesmen that understand how to do air sealing. They understand air barriers and even duct sealing. A lot of heating and cooling contractors don't want to seal ductwork because that's taking away time where they could normally be doing an install of a new piece of equipment. It's not as profitable, but hear me out, handymen. Whatever you charge per hour, you can charge that same amount per hour for doing air sealing. And it's just a matter of you knowing what to do. Getting up in attics or in crawl spaces or in basements and sealing holes properly, blocking around, chimneys and flue pipes, fire caulking. All this stuff is relatively simple. It may not seem like fun work, but it can be profitable for you, and a lot of people need it. So if you're in the trades, if you're a handyman, especially if you're looking to grow your business, I really want you to consider adding air sealing, duct sealing, and even some other simple things like that to your toolbox, because it'll raise your revenue, it'll make your customers more happy, and frankly, you'll probably get relationships built with insulation contractors and heating and cooling contractors where you can do the work that they don't want to do. So, let's raise the awareness, let's get some more work done, and let's help some more people. All right, see you on the next one.